Hello. Let's talk about how to connect MCP server to Altair. If you go in your tool manager, you now can see that we have a tab called Remote MCP Server. Here you can attach official MCP server or add any remote server by clicking on the button on the top right, Add Server. Let me show you with an official one. Here in Linear, I just click and click OK to authorize my account. Approve. And this is it. We are connected to the official Linear server with all those tools ready to be used. Here you can see the Linear MCP is using its different tools to create the issue. Now it's done, and I can look at it. Okay, looks great. The great thing is that you can connect any MCP server. Here, for example, I'm on Slithery, and I want to connect the Google Maps one. I just click on the URL, add the server, put the authentication, and that's it. And now you can see that automatically I can get direction. Let's test it. And here you can see that we use the get direction tool from the Google Maps server to get the exact route between Paris and Bordeaux. And this is it. This is remote MCP server in Altair. Please note that the MCP technology is still fairly young, and we're adding manually official server in Altair. So let us know which one you want and which one works well. Thank you very much, and see you next week.